Alright, so from the Payment Gateways tab, i-configure natin yung direct bank transfer. So what we have to do is to click on the BACS link. This here. So dalhin tayo dito sa direct bank transfer page. So ang kailangan lang naman natin i-define dito is yung account name natin, yung basically yung mga bank details natin kung saan pwede magbayad yung customer. So the account name, account number. Alright. So and then of course the bank name. So let's say Banco de Oro yan. So another thing na kailangan natin i-define is yung BIC or dating tinatawag na SWIFT code. So ito yung parang international code ng mga bangko para lang malaman natin. So bigyan natin yung link dyan sa article. So just click on that and then just click on save changes para mag-effect yung mga ginawa nating configuration. Alright. Basically, yun lang siya. And then settings has been changed. So, okay, let's proceed.